सर थोड़ा सा सामने आता है सर सर वन मोर स्ट्रेट सर रोहन सर एक मिनट
अधिक सिनेमा का लाइव देखी होता है मेरा फोन technology and finance everyone got a screen in their pocket, so I think that is finally the storytelling. That's very exciting. बहुत अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया हेलो 100% I'll be more excited not just me and हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ because finally हमारे फायदे मैं बोलता हूँ as good as they are I was working on a course with a couple of for different channels, so as soon as they're ready to be announced I can talk about it. Thank you.
Okay, just take you 2 minutes of yours.
Yeah.
What are you expecting tonight?
I'm expecting a fantastic film. Ritesh's first film was beautiful and we all know about it, and whatever I've heard about this one, it's unbelievable cast of actors, so I think and it's a fantastic book, so I think, and with a great director, I think it's going to be very very memorable, and I'm looking forward to it.
The title, you know, the sense of an ending, what feel this gives you? What remind you?
Well,
The book is really, we know the book is...
Yeah, so it's about emotion, memory. It tells you all of those things about how we look back at things at a certain point when inevitable things come, and still they're unexpected. And yeah, it's a fantastic writer, fantastic book, and looking forward to seeing the film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
इतना बोलना नसीम भाई
सर चॉकलेट सर एक अच्छा पेट्रोल लेबे हैं अरे यहाँ तक कैमरा में आबि रहल छी
Yeah.
Rolling. Camera look, sir, please, camera look.
Yeah. Yeah.
आप खुद एक फिल्म मेकर हैं. What do you say about the film made in foreign land on Hollywood, the sense of an ending? किस तरह की फिल्म बनाई जाती है? कितना इंस्पायर करता है आपको?
I saw The Lunchbox and I loved that film. I'm a big fan of that film, and I'm really curious to see what Ritesh has done now, and I'm looking forward to watching the film.
With the kind of budget they have, the kind of technology they use, do you think our industry can compare in the future as such? I mean,
No, our industry is doing very well. There's no problem there. It's a different industry. They have a larger audience. They have a worldwide audience. And yes, financially the West is better off than our country. So there's that difference. But that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that we can't make good films that can be watched by everywhere in the world.
What was the impression to become a filmmaker for you? I mean, can you inspire a movie or incident, something?
जी ने मैं मतलब फिल्मों का फ़ैन रहा हूँ बचपन से ही, और घर में ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट था कि फिल्मों की बहुत बात होती थी, तो मैं बहुत इंस्पायर्ड था सिनेमा से और हमेशा सिनेमा में काम करना चाहता था, और मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे मौका मिला, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
And what about your projects? Are you working on any project?
जी, आई एम राइटिंग राइट नाउ, so hopefully we'll have something soon. Thank you very much.
Sure.
What is the subject of the film as such, and what really inspired to make this movie?
Well, the movie is based on a novel called The Sense of an Ending, written by Julian Barnes. It won the Booker Prize in 2011. So I read it when it came out, and I always loved it. And then a few years after that, after Lunchbox actually, it came to me as an offer to direct. So I was really honored to be part of it because it's a book I love. And what it's about a man called Tony Webster, played by Jim Broadbent, who reconnects with the first love of his life, played by Charlotte Rampling, and how that unravels. It's about secrets from his past. It's about an ordinary man who finds there was stuff of great literature in his life, and that's the stories that I love to be part of. So it's a pretty amazing thing to be part of.
You think very out of the box when you made Lunchbox as such. It was a very unique kind of a subject as such, and it had raves around the world. So what was the inspiration?
My mother asked you to say that. Sorry, your question.
Lunchbox was a very unique movie when such a subject is concerned.
Thank you.
Irfan Khan, Nawazuddin, and Nimrat Kaur, they acted very well in that film. What was the inspiration to make that film as such? And
To make Lunchbox?
yeah.
अरे सर 4 साल हो गए अभी 3-4 साल हो गए तो भी याद करना पड़ेगा. No, it's a movie that I wrote. It really came from the heart. I was working on it for many years. The city itself and all those characters, Nawaz's character, Irfan's character, Nimrat's character, they all in some way, they are part of me. But it was a pretty amazing experience to do that, and it was pretty amazing now to go to England and make this very British movie. But yeah.
Are you nervous? There'll be a sense of responsibility post Lunchbox. The expectation is really high.
Well, I don't know about the responsibility, but I really had a responsibility towards the characters of this book that I love, and I really saw this book as a great character study. So of course, when you make a movie and it's going out there, I'm really curious, actually, more than nervous. I'm really curious to experience it with an audience. I haven't got a chance to do that yet, because I finished making this movie late last year in London, and then I went right away after and worked on another movie. So I'm very curious to see it with an audience. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Nasir sir. So good to see you.
About this herd case. You talk about a data herd group. I'm just dying now. In the US last week. And it's losing her April 7th. So yeah, it's just about. Thanks for coming. Yeah, I think they're fully exploiting your presence. Thanks so much for coming in.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, if you can just
Where's
You hardly come to any events. How come you're here?
How come I'm here? Because I want to see the film. I liked Ritesh's film Lunchbox very much, and I'm really looking forward to seeing this. It's great that Indian filmmakers are finally making a mark in the West and getting the opportunity to express themselves. So I'm really looking forward to the movie. I hope it will be great.
Thank you. Sana, really good to see you. Tell us,
Same
how
here.
come you're here?
Nothing. I'm here to see The Sense of Ending.
Have you read the novel?
No, I haven't. I have it in my bookshelf, but I have not read the novel yet.
Okay, what are you expecting?
I'm expecting good things. Let's see.
How's life post Dangal?
It's pretty normal. Like nothing has changed. Aisa. Like people recognize me and they come and click pictures. Other than that, it's pretty normal.
Okay, what's there in the pipeline? What's happening in the professional front?
Nothing. Hopefully I'll sign something very soon, since I've missed acting a lot. तो यही कैमरा है, इसी के सामने मैं I'm performing right now. Otherwise I really miss going on set and sitting in the vanity, getting ready and going to the set. So let's hope I'll sign something very soon.
Okay, is there a possibility you start working with Amir Khan? There are also news. Zahara Wasim is already working under his. She's doing an intern basically.
Not Zaira, Fatima and I were interning
yes,
AK.
yes.
I left the internship last month because I wanted to travel. But I had a great time. He's a great mentor. He's a great boss. I've learned a lot of things during the internship, not only about acting but about filmmaking in a whole. So it was a very wonderful experience.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Photo. थैंक यू
मैडम इधर सामने देख लीजिए मैम अभी इधर देखो मैडम मैडम
Hi, Nimra, really good to see you.
Hi, really good to be
After
here.
Lunchbox, Ritesh is with the sense of an ending.
Yes.
What are you expecting?
I think you know it's obviously going to be special. It's a great novel. I haven't read it, but I know that it's a really incredible story. And Ritesh and I mean, we have a very you know long relationship. We've known each other for almost 3.5, 4 years now. So I can't wait to see what he has created next. So I'm really excited to watch the film.
How proud you feel when he is making a mark?
Very proud, very excited, and I really hope that you know the world is able to enjoy his next piece of work as much as the last. So yeah, I can't wait to watch
What's
it.
happening on professional front? What's there in pipeline?
I'm actually filming a web series right now for Alt Balaji, which is a new channel that's going to come on line soon. So I'm playing an army officer in that, so that's quite exciting. It's been a lot of fun preparing for that, and we've been filming that. So yeah, I'll be going into filming more of that soon.
Something on big screen.
I can't. I mean, I cannot announce it right now, but right now this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.